Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. Solution 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb. To turn off Do Not Disturb, first open the control center on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the focus icon and tap Do Not Disturb to turn off. Solution 2. Make sure sound is turned on in WhatsApp notification. For that, launch the setting application. Scroll down and tap on apps. In apps menu, scroll down to find WhatsApp and tap it. In WhatsApp menu, tap notification. In apps notification setting, you will see a toggle next to allow notification. If it's gray, it means it's turned off and you should tap it to turn on. Once notifications are turned on, the slider will turn green, and for some apps, more options will appear below. Next, check the box for lock screen, notification center and banners. Then tap the toggle next to sounds option to turn it on. Solution 3. Turn on WhatsApp under the background app refresh. First, open the setting application on your iPhone. Then you go to general menu. Now scroll down to see background app refresh and tap on it. Tap on background app refresh again. You can see at the top of the page. Here you need to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go back to the previous menu. Scroll down and enable background apps refresh for WhatsApp.